This conference will now be recorded.
One minute, I'm setting this.
Hello, Rakesh, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Shivani. I'm just opening the document, then I will set the screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. Set the screen. Okay. Is visible now? Hello, Shivani?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, fine. See, so we'll start uh, the basic thing of the at the time of implementation project. Okay. So what are the things we have to take care? Okay. And as a when we are going to be implement a project, it which manner we have to be implement that project, then we will get the successful result. Okay, that thing we will be forced to. And I hope you know regarding the R1, R2, R3, correct? Or need to explain that one, Shivani? Hello, Shivani. Hello, Shivani. Hello,
Hello,
hello.
hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Hello. Yeah. Okay. You guys please continue. Okay. I have to leave now. Okay.
But Shivani is not answering. Hello,
Uh,
Shivani,
maybe
are you
she's.
there?
One second. I contact.
Am I audible now?
Yes. Yeah. Now you're audible. Okay. Shivani, do you know what is R1, R2, and R3?
Hello?
Hello. Yes. Hello, Shivani, am I audible? Hello, Shivani. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now you're
now I
audible.
can hear you. Now I can hear you, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think some network problem is there from your side.
Yes, yes, I also feel the same.
Okay. Okay. So tell me. Do you know what is R1, R2, R3?
Yeah, I think it's different versions of this
Hmm.
SAP.
Uh, Not a different version, you can say. R1, R2, R3 means when SAP first time introduced in market, it's coming to R1. R1 means, see, there have the presentation layer, application layer, database layer. Okay, in different system. But in R1, in only one system only, there have the presentation layer, database layer, and application layer. So that's why R1 has failed.
Okay.
Do you know those things?
Yes, yes, yeah. I
Okay,
read it,
fine.
but I somehow missed it.
Yes, yes. Got it. Yeah. Actually, it's not required is the interview point of view or any real time point of view. Just for the
Okay.
knowledge point of view, I just asked you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. So, now we will be see at the time of implementation SAP. Okay. On which way we will be implement that project, so we will get the successful result as a successful implementation. Okay. For
Mm-hmm.
that, SAP has launched a method. SAP has introduced a method in market. Okay. Why
Okay.
SAP? Why SAP introduced this methodology? Because see, whenever we are going to do a work, we have to be planned first. Correct. Like
Mm-hmm.
example, today I have taken a class, so we have planned at the Friday we have planned that yes, in Monday 9 p.m. we will be taking class. Correct. So we have planned that.
Yes.
So today we are successfully taking the class. Okay. As per the we have already said the meeting, we have already said all those things. Correct. So as per that
Mm-hmm.
only, when in SAP, when we are going to be implement a project, okay, so that time before implementing, we have to be do a plan on
Yes.
which manner, on what process we will be implement that project, so we will get the successful result. Okay.
Correct.
So for that only, SAP introduced a method is called SAP methodology. Okay, it's called SAP methodology. Okay, SAP methodology. Okay, in SAP methodology, in other words, you can say also SAP roadmap. Okay, SAP roadmap. A interviewer can ask you what is the SAP methodology or what is SAP roadmap. Okay, so the answer will be same, but the question they can ask you different way. Okay, so first thing,
Correct.
tell me now you understood why SAP introduced this method, this methodology. You clear now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
yes, yeah.
Now, okay, now in this method there are some different steps. Okay, first step is coming project preparation phase. Project preparation. Second phase is coming business blueprint. Business blueprint. Third step is coming realization. Okay, realization phase. Fourth step is coming um, project preparation phase, business blueprint phase, realization phase, final preparation, final preparation, and fifth is coming here, go live. Okay, so this is the SAP methodologies steps. When we are going to be implement a project, we can we have to be follow these steps. Then only we can get the successful result and where we can implement a project successfully. Okay, so this so here um, in there are five phase total. In five phase there are different work. We will be discuss one by one. Okay,
Mhm.
what is the use of project preparation, business blueprint realization. Okay, before that just understood little bit more why SAP introduced SAP methodology. Before some years, when a consultant going to implement a project, a implementation project, okay, that time it's taking too much time. So now normally it will be take nowadays 2023 nowadays you can say for implementing a project it will be take 1 year, 1.5 or 2 years. Okay, within 2 years we can implement the project, but before some years when we are going to implement the project it's taking too much time because they are not following any of the method. They are not before going to implement they have not planned anything. They directly come and implement the project. Means at the time of configuration they are getting the requirement, those things are happen. Okay, after that when
Yes.
business not satisfied with the requirement they are coming to the again they are coming to the project preparation, those things are happen. So and most of the customers are complaining to the SAP that we are not able to implement the project okay successfully. They are lost their crores of money. As for so
Mhm.
for this only, SAP decided that SAP will be launch a method in market whenever a consultant or whenever a pro- company want to be implement a project, he has to be follow the these methods. Okay. Then SAP introduced these methods. Now, before coming to these methods, we are just I'm just explaining one thing that there have the green field implementation. This is the most of regular question is coming in interview. If a company want to be hired you for a implementation project, it will be they will be asked to define this project. What is green field implementation and what is brown field implementation?
Okay.
You have any idea? Green
No,
field
no,
and
I don't
brown
have
field?
any idea. No.
Okay, fine. No problem. See, green field means what? Green field means y- when we are implementing a project, okay, from scratch to end,
Okay.
okay, from scratch to end means when suppose we are going to implement a project in Everest, okay, and in Everest, before implementing SAP, they are using Tally,
Okay.
okay, they are using
So
Tally.
moving.
But
Hmm.
now, yes, but now they are you want to use SAP. So here, what happened? We have to be remove the Tally and we will be implement. So it's what this is a scratch to end complete implementation, correct?
Correct.
For this type
Yes.
of project, we can say the greenfield implementation project.
Okay.
Okay,
But
okay, this is clear for
yes, yes.
scratch to end.
Hmm.
Scratch to end. Brownfield implementation field means what? The brownfield implementation means suppose you have already implemented the project of 50%.
Hmm.
Okay, but now after 2 years of gap, you want to be implement your project again. Example, one of my client was there in South African company. Okay, what happened? They have implemented SAP in 2019, 2020 something, and because of COVID-19, they go live their project 50% and 50% still remaining. Okay, so that
Okay.
time the 50% go live they have done with another company, and because of COVID, they have stopped their implementation. After COVID, they have given this project to our company, and we have implemented their and remaining 50%. So this type of project we can say the brownfield implementation.
Hmm. So,
Okay,
just one
means
question
this is
over
the
here.
scratch to end. Yes.
Yes. So, for an example, specific client have
Mm-hmm.
different teams and different companies. So that can be a
Mm-hmm.
brownfield implementation. Like
Uh,
support
Not
is
that
with
way. You can
X
understand
company.
that way. How you can understand that way. Greenfield means scratch to end, and brownfield means suppose a company has already implemented some 40 to 50%, and remaining 50% if they will be implement, like it will become rollout project. Also, it will become rollout project means
Okay.
suppose they want to be implement, they want to be create some plans, cost center, new company code. You can
Mhm.
say this is the brownfield, like you can say
Few
GST
changes.
project, one mini, correct, mini
Yes.
project GST. Okay,
Hmm. Yes,
so
yes,
this
got it.
type of project we can say the brownfield.
Hmm.
Okay, now it's
Okay.
clear what is greenfield and brownfield.
Yes, yes.
Fine, fine. Now coming to the, and do you know how many type of project are there in SAP?
Yes, implementation, support, rollout. I know
And
only this. And
okay,
changes,
you know
few
only this
changes.
two three things.
Yeah, I know only
Okay,
this.
okay. See, correct. Most of in market, most of things are happen. These three projects are working. Okay, like implementation, support, and rollout. But also there is one version upgradation. Like if it's coming to HANA. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes. Huh.
when we will we have already ECC, but they want to be update their version. Like they have ECC 6.0,
Hmm.
we want to update their version to ESP 7. Okay, so that time we
Hmm.
can say this is the version upgradation project. Okay, so
Okay.
that's all. Yeah, and
Hmm.
also now we will be see in implementation project what will happen, and you know that in support project what are the
Yes.
activities we are doing. Okay, and
Yes,
rollout
yes. That
also,
I
correct?
know. Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. See. So in implementation project, the main thing is that we have to follow the rule of SAP methodology. Okay. So now let's discuss first one is project preparation phase. In project preparation phase, what happened? Project preparation phase, we will discuss what you understand. Just Ivan, tell me what you understand as per the name of the project preparation means what you understand.
Project preparation. So, what
Hmm,
kind of a project? How many um, areas that needs to be
hmm.
implemented? So, what
Correct,
kind of a companies
correct,
that needs to be created? Uh,
correct, correct.
like
Correct. In the
basic
project
information
preparation,
about chart of
correct,
accounts.
basic information. Oh no,
Hmm.
it will be come to the business blueprint phase.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Project preparation means in project preparation, who will be seat first thing? In project preparation are project manager, okay,
Yes.
or project manager, okay. Then IT team members. IT team member means what? IT team members, IT team members, the client side, okay,
Okay.
client side IT team head, okay, yes.
Okay.
Then there go every department's head person, okay,
Hmm.
means finance department head, okay,
Delivery.
and
Hmm.
the inventory department
SDMM.
head, yes, correct, all of the head members, okay.
Yes.
So
Hmm.
it's coming to the project manager with our lead consultant, okay,
Okay.
lead consultant, and that's all, lead consultant, and our side, our IT company side, suppose they have the Deloitte. Deloitte is want to implement the Deloitte will be implement the SAP in Everest. So Deloitte side, Deloitte project manager, Deloitte lead consultant, okay, Deloitte
Hmm.
marketing who has assigned this project, okay, to the Deloitte. So those those persons are sitting this meeting. Okay, what they will be discussed in this meeting. First thing is coming like what are the modules they want to be implemented in this project first thing. Okay, means how many modules like there are the FICO, MM, SD, PP, QM, PM. How many modules they want to be implement? Okay,
Okay.
they would be discuss these things and how many consultants will be assigned to a particular module wise. Okay,
Hmm.
how many consultant means from FICO 3 consultant, MM side 2 consultant means how many persons will be assigned in this project. Okay, second,
Okay.
third thing what coming? Third thing is the consultants will be sit off-site or on-site. Off-site means they will be work from Deloitte office or they will be work from Everest office. If they want, they will be coming to the client side or not. Okay,
Yes.
there's things.
Hmm.
And what is the cost of this project? Okay, what is the
Hmm.
cost of this project? There will be also now coming to one of the PDF is there where prepared. See, this is the project preparation. Okay, the list of activities to be carried out to make the implementation successful. High level white paper statement of the project. Okay, the ERP
Hmm.
solution provider must carry out the implementation phase in the based on delivery to cost, delivery to time, delivery to quality. Means at what time we can deliver this project means what is the duration of this project.
Duration. Hmm.
Duration is the most important, okay, any implementation project. Then on which date we will be delivered to the project or on which date we will be planned for the go live, okay, because go live we are not we can we cannot do the go live every month. No, there are some specific month like we can say in April 1st we can go live, because we have closed all the year-end activities of the legacy in the legacy system of 2022. Then and 2023 onward, 1st of April, we will be work everything in SAP. Okay. So there are April is the very suitable month for go live of implementation project. Okay, most of clients are preferring April month. Okay, because this is a very easy. Okay, if we are coming to the June and July is the mid of the year, so it's very hectic job also. Okay, so most of the clients are preferred April month for go live. Okay, so see here, first the project name and description means as the formalities of the scope of project. Okay, scope of project means what? Scope of project means we can discuss as the how many consultants, okay, how many modules we will be implement. So these things we will be discussed here. The scope, okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay. And project version and mission, see, convey the vision of the program which should satisfy all the stakeholders. Say project vision and mission means what? Project vision means if we will be implement SAP, okay, in Everest, then what are the benefits they will be get? Okay, those things also
Mm-hmm.
we have to be explained to them in our project manager, in our delivery manager. They will be explained to them that those areas are there when we will be implement the project. Okay, so there's things will
Okay.
you will be get, some things we will be get the automation. Okay, so there's
Mm,
things
got
we'll discuss only. Project logo is nothing but only for the that you can say in whenever we are doing some agreement or whenever we are doing some manual paperwork, we can see that our project logo means one side our client side logo and one side our company logo, you can say. Okay,
okay.
so it's nothing. The project logo no problem. Project
Yes.
management structure. Project management
Mm-hmm.
structure means what? Management structure means from client side, who is the responsible person at the time of implementation of project.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Correct.
And from
Mm-hmm.
ERP team. ERP team means what? From Deloitte side. Deloitte side, who is the responsible person for taking care of the everything at the time of implementation project. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And here
Okay.
you can also schedule what is the team size? What will be the team size? As a consultant, how many FISO consultant, how many SD, and how many modules we are implementing. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
these things we have to be categorized here. Okay,
Yes.
we
Yes.
have to be informed to the business that there have FISO side there are four consultants. One is the senior, one will the lead, one is the junior, and another is the intern. So those things example. Okay, and from
Okay.
business side, who is the responsible person? Suppose there Ram is the responsible person. After Ram, if Ram is not present today, so who will be take care? Okay, so there's thing the project management structure we have to also finalize in project preparation phase, because project preparation is the foundation of the project. Okay, what are the
Yes.
things we are discussing here that they as per that only we will go forward. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So those things. So you understood these four steps. Now we can discuss for step number 5.
Yes.
Okay.
Project
See,
planning.
whenever you have any, yes, whenever you have ended up, just ask me. Okay. Swan.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
In project plan means what? What we will discuss each phase activities deliverable with its review process. Each phase activity means here we have finalized that how many days we have to be conduct the meeting with our client. Okay, because client side also they have some of the their vice president are there, president also one the every 15 days we have to be explain to them. Okay, how many works completed, how many works are remaining still. Okay, so each phase
Mm-hmm.
activities deliverable with its review process. Okay, means
Yes.
within how a month a month, within how many time we will be discussed, we will be explain to our client, okay, the status of the
Hmm.
project.
Okay.
These things also be finalized in project preparation phase only. Okay, suppose they finalized every month, they will be take the two meeting. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
two meeting every 15 days. Suppose in May 15 we have taken one meeting. After in first 31st of the May we will take the second meeting. So that also be finalized here. Okay, then start date and end date of each activity. Okay,
Hmm.
suppose client, suppose we have given a, we will be start our first activity. Okay, each activity means suppose we have start our basic configuration in first of the May, and it will be complete on 30 June, means it will be take the 2 month. Okay, so these
Yes.
things also be we have written down here in white paper, that we will be start our realization phase, then we will be start our basic configuration. There's within this date, then we will be start our testing within this month. Okay, so those things, start and end date of the each activity. Okay, resource to be assigned to each activity. Just explain in project management
Hmm.
structure. Resource means how many resources,
How
how
many
many
resources?
consultants assigned. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, the roles and
Hmm.
responsibility of the teams from client and ERP. There is any doubt in this phase
Hmm.
project plan?
No, 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 no. It's clear.
Okay. Okay. Budget and completion acceptance. Budget and completion means suppose they finalize this implementation project budget is coming to the around 90 lakh. Suppose. Okay.
Hmm.
Completion of acceptance means how they will be deliver this amount to our IT company. How Everest will be delivered to this amount in to Deloitte. How? They have
Yes.
they have some agreement that once realization phase completed, okay,
Hmm.
need to be payment 30% of the payment.
Yes.
Okay. Once configuration completed 30%. After once testing completed, 20% of payment. Okay.
Hmm.
Once we get the user acceptance, UAT testing acceptance, once we get that, we will be
Hmm.
need to payment the 5% of the payment. So these things will be discussed here. Okay.
Okay.
Because here every means very high level persons are sitting there. Correct.
Okay. Hmm.
Project
Yes.
manager, lead, those things. So that's why it's coming to the budget and completion of the acceptance. Okay.
Okay.
Project success indicator. Project success indicator means what? Means how we will be implement a project successfully. Each phase progress, planned, actual, delay, deviation. Means we have to be, when a consultant will be start implementing in system, they have to first plan that one. That okay, how they
Yes.
will be plan every phase. I mean, suppose in realization phase we have planned, we will be start the system configuration 1st of May and we will be end it 31st of the May within 1 month. So we have to plan first. Okay, what is the
Okay.
plan? After that we have to be check also. After 31st May, it's exactly realization phase is completed or not.
Hmm.
If not completed, then how many days it delay and what is
Delay.
the
Yes.
derivation? How it will be, how we will be take it back up, means how we will be complete it. Okay, if it's required
Hmm.
any more resources, so there's things. Okay, each phase
Okay.
progress. Okay, in meeting every 15 days there have a steering committee meeting, so there we have to be ex- discuss these things. Okay,
Hmm.
activities during
Okay.
the period means in
Hmm.
May month, what we will be do? In June month, what is the next activity? So if there are the 1 year, it will be take. So every month activity we have written down before one year. before starting anything in system.
Hmm.
Okay. Project success indicator means how we can successfully and smoothly implement a project. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Then activities planned for next week. See, you can see
Hmm.
how tough implementation project. First, we have discussed each process wise. Then we have categorized each period wise. Then now we are categorize each week wise.
Activity.
Every week. Suppose in 4 months, in 1 month, there are 4 weeks is coming. Okay. So here, every week, how we will be, what are the activities we will be performed? That also be written down here. Okay. That's
Hmm.
why it's saying that everyone saying that in implementation project is a very tough means we it will be very carefully we have to be discuss those things. If we have missed any of the point in this phase, in future we will be face the problem.
Yes.
Okay. First we have categorized each process progress, then period wise. Now it's coming to the week wise also.
Week wise. Hmm.
Risk, yes, risk status with owner who is responsible to mitigate this risk means suppose there are some risk, okay, and who will be take this responsible is the who is the project manager, uh, who is the business side project manager with whom we'll discuss. If we are missing any requirement, then who is the responsible person to whom we will ask them, correct?
Yes.
So that also be finalized here. Team deployed at site, role with number of resources in each role. Deployed at the site means if it's coming to the on-site project, okay. So
Client side.
in on-site, how many? Yes, in on-site, how many consultants will be come there, and who will the lead? Who will be the project manager? Who will be the senior? Who will be the associate? So these things also we have to finalize here. Okay,
Okay. Understood. Yes.
fine. Now it's coming to the project scope. Project scope means what? ECC environment, SAP R3, navigation, SAP S/4HANA. Means what? Uh, means what is the version we are implementing? Okay.
Hmm.
What version? SAP R3 means what? Development,
Okay.
quality, production, we can say. Okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Different. So
Environments.
how many development? Correct. The environments. Okay. Navigation SAP S/4HANA means as per the project navigation ECC 7. Okay. So those
So
things.
Navigator SAP
Partners.
S/4HANA, it means moving from ECC to
Huh?
SAP S/4HANA. Correct. Correct.
SAP S/4HANA or yes, or suppose we have ECC or we want to be coming to the ESP. So is the we can say the
Okay.
version upgradation. Okay.
Okay.
So these things, yeah.
Okay.
In partner scope of work means auditing partner, training partner, testing partner. It means what? See, suppose Deloitte implemented SAP in Everest.
Hmm.
Okay. But
Yeah.
now Everest want to be audit that one as Deloitte implemented it successfully or not. So
Hmm.
that time Everest will be giving this contract to the KPMG.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So now KPMG consultant will be audit the whole system.
Yes.
Okay. So
Hmm.
you can say the
And auditing
implementation
partner.
partner is Deloitte and our auditing partner is KPMG. Some
Yes.
cases what happened? Suppose Deloitte only implements, so Deloitte also can be audit also. Okay,
Hmm.
so it's depend
Yes.
upon client. If they want, then stick fine. Training partner, if they want to be hire any other company's consultant for training purpose only. Okay,
Hmm.
so they can also do
Okay.
that. Testing partner, suppose Deloitte company has implemented and who will be the testing partner. Suppose they most of what happened, who will be implementing the project, that company only be auditing, that company only be giving training, that company only be giving testing also. Okay,
Hmm.
means what are the configuration we have done, it's working fine or not. Okay,
Right, we
for
have to
checking those
test.
things we have to do the testing, correct?
Hmm.
So this
Yes.
partner is not required. It's in real time. It's not happening or different companies. Only one company will be giving those things. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Uh, Now it's coming to project implementation strategy. Project implementation strategy means accelerated SAP SAP means how we will be what are the process we have to be follow. Okay. The SAP methodology, Victoria SAP means the realization phase, project preparation phase, business blueprint. So there's things we have to be follow. Some of the means project implementation strategy means on which strategy we will be implement this project, so we will get the successful result. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
is nothing. And SAP configuration standard. Hope you know these things. Z and Y configuration. You know
Yes,
that.
these are custom configurations.
Custom configuration, correct. So here we have to be discuss with that how many customizing reports need to be created.
Hmm.
Okay, we have to
Okay.
be check how many stand means client will be informed to us that they want this reports. Okay, maybe one vendor, customer, asset report. So we will be check. Okay, is customizing or is standard? If it's standard, then it's fine. If it's customizing, we have to write down that okay, there are total 10 reports they want customizing. Okay,
Okay. Hmm. Understood.
so these things we have to check. Testing standard and strategy. Testing standard and strategy means there are some different of testings. Okay, so here we have to be also finalize how many testings will be perform a company after implementing standalone module testing. Like you can say it unit testing. Correct.
Yes.
Unit testing means what?
Standard
You know
one.
that
Hmm. Yes.
unit testing means every module wise we have to be test.
Yes. Yes. Module wise.
Okay.
Correct. So you
Yes.
mean to say for
And
FI
hmm,
they'll be doing testing, for
F
ST they'll be doing testing. Correct.
Correct. For FICO
Hmm.
model, the only the that consultant will be responsible. SD
Okay.
consultant will be responsible. So every module
Hmm.
wise, okay.
Okay.
Like from our FI said, what happened? We have to post the JB, we have to post the vendor invoice, customer invoice,
Hmm.
is GST calculating, also those things.
Yes.
Every unit wise means the module wise. System integration testing means what?
System from FI. This is FISD integration testing, FIMM integration
Correct.
testing.
Correct. Like P2P cycle, O2C
Yes.
cycle,
Hmm.
and integration.
Yes.
Okay, means they will be
Hmm.
test together the both module consultant. Okay,
Yes.
then user acceptance testing.
This I don't know.
Okay, user acceptance testing is coming the most of implementation project or the support project also. They want to. We can hear that word that we need the UAT approval. Have
Yes.
you
Yes. User will
heard this
test
word?
it.
Correct. So
Hmm.
users should test and users should give the approval that yes,
Approval.
it's working fine.
Hmm.
Now we can able to move to the production.
Production. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is
Understood.
the UAT testing. Yes, and
Hmm.
performance testing, or you can say regression testing.
Hmm.
Okay,
If
regression
it is
testing
working
means
fine
what?
or not.
Correct. It's working. Is what is the if we are executing a report? Okay, how many time it's taking? Okay, because what happens, suppose sometime when we are customizing some report and when we face the logic from dissect table, it's taking too much time. Okay, so this customizing reports also takes how many time, how long it's taking, okay, for executing. Regression testing means what? Suppose you have already implemented uh, some of the company code US, China, and Hong Kong. Okay, but now you want to be implement another company code for South Africa. Okay, so we
Okay.
you have done the every you have done the configuration for South Africa now, but before South Africa configuration, you have already implemented the three countries: Hong Kong, US, and India. Okay,
Hmm.
so now here you have to be check in regression testing that for configuration for implementing South Africa company code, when we are doing any posting in South African company, is there any effect is coming to the Hong Kong, US, or India
Existing.
company or not? Correct.
Yes. Okay.
Regression. Just try to understand from
Hmm.
its name. Regression.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Regression test. Yeah.
Yes, understood.
Training methodology means train the trainer mode. Means how we will be give training to the users. First thing is train the trainer mode means we will be trained to the trainer and that trainer will be trained to their respective users.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Suppose
Hmm.
I have given you training and Shivani will be give to the because Shivani is the client side person and Shivani will be provide to their respective users. Train to the trainer.
Yes, understood.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
training handout and manuals mean training manuals, the user manuals we can say.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. After training, we have to provide to the user manuals. How to use concepts for all modules means how to use means we have to be prepare some Word document. We have to prepare some uh, PowerPoints or presentation skill.
Yes.
Okay. So there's
Stepwise
things we
procedure.
have to be yes. Okay. Now it's coming to the project deliverables. Project deliverable means what? The deliverable of each module means how many modules we will be delivered to them, how many modules
Hmm.
we are implementing that all modules will deliver to them. Okay, MMFIPP, everything. Specifying and developing and testing of reports. At the time of
Hmm.
deliver the project, before delivering the project, consultants should test the everything.
Yes.
Okay, the
Hmm.
customizing reports, every process testing those
Everything.
things. Enhancement,
Hmm.
forms, and workflow. Do you know what is enhancement?
Yes. Something like
Okay,
a kind of
form.
a, it is not a
Correct.
standard
If
change.
in standard sense, yes. We can
Hmm.
use enhancement, body, BAPI, those things we can use for
Yes.
enhancement. Okay.
Hmm.
Forms and workflow. Forms means the smart forms. Okay. Like there are some customer smart form like customer invoice, test statement they want. Means the smart forms
Okay.
means the
Hmm.
receipt. Okay.
Yes, understood.
Smart
Hmm.
forms and workflow. Workflow means the customizing reports, how many customizing, there are some reports, there are some third party integration software. So it's called workflow. Workflow I will explain you in business blueprint phase also. Okay. Deep.
Okay.
And SAP
Hmm.
technical cutover plan. Do you know what is cutover plan?
Till what time this technical testing will be over? Kind of a
No.
let's say timeline
No. It's
duration.
cutover plan means in yes, we have to give them timeline and duration. SAP technical cutover plan. Do you know what is cutover? What is cutover activity?
I've heard about it, but I'm not exactly sure about it.
Correct. Okay. Yes. See, cutover plan means suppose we are implementing a project SAP in Everest. Okay. For it's taking
Hmm.
1 year. So for 1 year, SAP will not stop their work. Correct. He's
Yes.
he's selling the products. He's taking his purchase also
Hmm.
something. But that
Yes.
data the Everest maintained in Tally. Okay.
Okay.
But
And
when we go live,
hmm.
we have to be take all data from Tally to SAP. Correct.
Yes.
This legacy system, this uploading the data from legacy system to SAP is called cutover activity.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
And what are the data we will upload? There have also processed only open items.
Okay. Only open
Okay,
items.
only open item. Only open item. Because see, open why were only open item? Some of the reporting purpose clients are uploading clear item data also, but it's not the part of cutover. Okay, we are
Okay.
taking only open item because see, suppose a vendor invoice already posted in Tally and it's already payment to the vendor in Tally only. So why we will be take that statement already closed that vendor? So no need to take in SAP, correct?
Yes,
We are
yes, correct.
taking only open item means suppose if invoice is there in Tally, if we will be
And
not
payment
take
is
that open
pending.
item to SAP, then we will be not get correct. We
Hmm.
can't do that payment in SAP because in
Yes.
after go live we will do everything in SAP only. Okay,
Hmm.
so for that
Okay.
we are taking only open items. Okay,
Okay, got
fine.
it.
Now coming to resource planning and allocating SAP project management. Develop a program resource plan based on the resource requirement to complete the program activities. Means the uh, who will be take the project management, then how it will be go ahead, okay, smoothly.
Hmm.
So only resource planning and allocating how many concerns will come here, who will be do what activities, okay, those things only.
Okay. Hmm.
At last, sign off charter.
Got it.
Sign off charter means finalization of negotiation. They will be discussed
Hmm.
their budget, okay, and they will be set. Signing of the agreement by both parties, that
Yes.
now they have discussed everything. Now they have to be signed of both parties. Okay, our ERP team and business team also, client side team. They have to be
Okay.
signed here in paper that yes, now we have discussed everything as per this only, as per this policy and rule regulation, we will be go forward.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
duly signed on all pages. Means as per their policy, as per their rule regulation, they have to be signed all the
Responsibility.
documents. Okay. So this
Okay.
is the whole picture of the project preparation phase.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Yes.
now you have any doubt in this phase?
No, no. No doubts in this phase.
Okay, fine.
But I never thought that project discussion will be like project preparation will be this much, including this much details.
Yes, yes. Because project preparation is the very important, very important.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Yes.
as per this plan only, there will be go forward in every process. I can show
That's true.
you in there have some documents
Mhm.
at the time of implementing project. What are the documents you should prepare? And project overview. This is the DIC. This is the deviation plan. Let's see this there. See, just we have seen the deviation, right? See, plant
List
list
material.
given date. Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Given date. This one. This SIB.
Yes.
Here
Mhm.
we have received from business. Here. Okay. Why
Yes.
we have to be maintain those things? Because in steering committee we have to be explained to them. If they will be ask us, we have given you on 14th of the
Okay.
December, but we have received the 21st of the January. That's why it's
January.
taking 1 month late. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See here, everything maintained. Last mailed from yes, Gavin 22nd December. Last mail from Gavin 21st. Okay. from given main subject DEI BPD. Everything we have mentioned. This is the deviation, you can say deviation. Just we
Hmm.
have
Correct.
here what is that? Yes, deviation. Okay, planned, actual, delay, deviation.
Yeah.
What we
Yes.
have planned, what received, actual, what happened. Okay, so there's
Yes.
things. FICO organization structure. So everything. These are the this type of documents we have to be prepared in at the time of
Hmm.
implementation project. And this is the one thing. And for projects, see, there have also DA project overview, project plan, steering committee report, weekly status. Every week we are explain to them what is the status of the work.
Hmm.
You can see this
This
is
is
the
kind of a lengthy process.
yes, very lengthy process.
Yeah.
If you will be appointed as a lead consultant, you have to be prepare those things because client will be ask you to a lead consultant. They will be not ask you to associate or
Ask anything,
intern.
anytime.
Okay.
Hmm.
Anything, anytime they will be asked you to you only as a lead and manager.
Yes.
Very lengthy process. Those things we have maintained here. That of 1st of December. Okay. Project deviation, organizer structure of finalized sign off was planned 23rd of December to 26th
26th
and
December.
it is deviated by 9 days.
9 days. Hmm.
And waiting confirmation from DI team for FIC organizer structure. And expected date is 10th of January.
10th January. Each and every small detail we
Project
have to
plan,
mention.
actual start date,
Hmm.
everything. Otherwise, client fire on you. Seriously, client will fire on you. If you have missed any detail,
Hmm?
so they will directly started solving that why it's too much late, what you are doing. You have three
Yes.
members, four members, so you have to be everything you have to mention there.
Correct.
Okay. So there's things. Now you got some idea about the implementation project.
Yes, yes. Now I can understand. I have so many things to learn. In support, we get incidents and tasks. We have to finish it in few days. That's it.
But
But this is something
that's it.
different.
Yes, it's very. I have done total five implementations,
Mhm.
with two international and three domestic.
Yeah.
So when I started my first implementation project in my career, that time I was the associate consultant. And after
Okay.
that, when I coming to my the next company and when I started my first implementation project, that time I was coming to the senior. And after that, after this project, because this DI project we have implemented in 14 countries.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
so then it's coming to the senior. So as a for implementing project, the very big responsibility is that you have to prepare every document
Yes.
because you are the responsible person who will be explaining to client everything in detail level.
Correct.
If you miss the document, then you will be only hear everything whenever whatever client will be telling you.
Yes.
Those things.
And the lead person will get all the scoldings.
Yes. Those things are there.
It's difficult to
Also, I
get
will be show
implementation
you
project, no?
in. Sorry.
It's difficult to get implementation projects. Support projects are available.
Hmm.
Like, yes, but
Support projects are available and implementation project also you can get, but you have to be if you are the former employee, then you have to be work that way that the manager should believe on you that yes, if I will be give this project to Sivan, then they
mm,
can handle it. Okay, so that
mm,
type of and it's very lucky to have the implementation project
yes, someone have to be
because
very
in
lucky.
market there are a lot of support projects. Because in market
Yes.
there are a lot of consultant who has given support. Okay, but in implementation project it's very rare.
Yes, that's
And
true.
implementation project is that project where you can learn everything,
Mm. From like starting to end, everything.
starting to everything. See, if there have, and it's also concept, because after implementing, you will be do the testing. Okay.
Yes.
So in test time, you can see, okay, this is not calculated. So once again, you have to do that, and we'll just change the configuration. And when you do the testing again, you can see, okay, now it's working. Means you learn that if I have ticked this checkbox, it will be work this way.
Yes. We need to know where to
So
go and what to
correct,
check and uncheck.
correct, those things.
Mm.
We will also see in our next classes, next topics, we'll show you some real-time documents also, so you can get the more confident. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Don't worry, we will be see every detail level configuration steps also.
Yes. It's a long way to
Yeah.
go.
So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Fine. Yeah. Thanks a lot. So
Yeah.
tomorrow we'll see again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.